Hello everyone. Are you wondering what flex means? Let's explore. Flex refers to the act of showing off, particularly one's wealth, achievements, or possessions. When someone flexes, they are deliberately drawing attention to something they have or have accomplished, often to impress others. This term can be used both positively, to admire someone's success, or negatively, to criticize someone for being boastful or materialistic. Flex culture has become prominent on social media, where people frequently post about their lifestyles, purchases, or milestones to gain admiration or validation from their followers. In this context, flexing is about making a statement of superiority or success, using visible markers to demonstrate one's status or influence. Essentially, flex is about the public display of personal triumphs or luxuries. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.